COUNTBLANK function counts the number of empty cells in a specified range of cells. This function has only one argument. In a range argument, select the cell references range or array from which you want to count the empty cells or blank cells. In range box, select this cell references range, click OK. Function returns 4 in this cell. Because in this range, there are 4 blank cells. As a result, function returns 4 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTBLANK function. In range box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 3 in this cell. Because there are 3 number of blank cells in this range. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTBLANK function. In range box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Function returns 2 in this cell. Because there are 2 number of blank cells in this range. As a result, function returns 2 in this cell. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click COUNTBLANK function. In range box, select an array. Click OK. Function returns 9 in this cell. Because in this array, there are 9 blank cells. In this way, you can find the number of blank cells by using COUNTBLANK function in an Excel worksheet.